Welcome everybody to Cheeky Monkey Monday. And last week we introduced Bobo, who was a Linda Murray, So Truly Real 15-inch monkey. This week we're going to dress the baby, and I have decided to go with a girl. So Bobo is going to be Bobo Bonita. So she's got some earrings, and I'm going to put her little outfit on. Some little pantaloons, her little dress, a diaper. She's going to be all in blue. First we'll get the diaper on. These are doll clothes. These little pantaloons cover the cloth body on the leg really well, and they're tight, so they should stay put pretty good. The dress has a little Velcro in the back. Super cute. It says Little Precious. This is a little hairband I got at Dollar Tree. It just is blue and matches. I'm going to make her a bracelet that has her name on it, Bobo Bonita, and a little bib if she wants to eat a banana or take a bottle. So we're going to set her right up there. And we have a new baby to introduce. And before we bring the new baby out, I want to point out that Momoko is especially excited about this new baby. He's laid out some candy and 2 Paul Frank Bindi dolls, one for him and one for the new baby. But the reason that he's so excited is because he is Momoko from Ashton Drake monkeying around with Momoko. And now we're going to meet the new baby, and you will understand why he's so excited. I'm going to show you a short video clip of when I received this little one and what she looked like, and then I'll show you how she is now after being cleaned and dressed. So here she is dressed. I made a little, like a onesie that covers all of her cloth body. It was pink, but I dyed it, and now it's like a light orange. It's got sparklies on it. And this is a little doll dress. And we added that because it's got the fall colors. And then we added some gold, just basic Christmas ribbon. It's not material. It's just what you would put on packages. She does have a little boo-boo on her leg there. But we could put some glue and add some hair there to cover that. It looks like it's actually cut into the vinyl. She is a hard vinyl. And the reason Momoko is so excited is because she is monkeying around with Mabel. And she is by Cindy Sales. Super cute. You cannot bend her arms because she is hard vinyl, very hard vinyl. She does have wire for posing her arms. I did not want to take the wire out of her, so I left it in there. Super cute. Big brown eyes. Look at that cute little face. I pulled her hair up after I cleaned it and brushed it out into a little top knot. And she has a little sweater that she can put on if she gets cold. A little sweater vest. Got cute little buttons. I was going to try to pierce her ears, but they are super hard, and I would have to take the Dremel tool, and I'm really concerned about chipping it or just kind of making a mess just trying to do it, so I probably will not pierce her ears. So Momoko is super excited to add his little friend monkeying around with Mabel, and they're going to each take a little doll. They're going to each take a little doll to play with, and they're going to have some candy, and they're just going to have a fun time together. Mabel is about 8 inches tall. Tinky is holding a sock monkey today. She wanted to keep her little outfit on. We took the boots off and the hat. And Annabelle, she loves to wear yellow. In fact, she doesn't hardly wear anything but yellow. But she has a super cute little necklace that's glass blown monkey with gold accents and a gold chain. So that's super cute for her. So they're going to sit and have some candy now. So these two are going to do lots of monkeying around. I hope you enjoyed this week's Meet the Monkey.